Hey, I've been testing crypto projects for a long time, and automated trading usually gets complicated the moment the actual setup begins. There's code to deal with, separate software, API connections, server settings, and before the bot even starts, there's already a list of things that need attention. That's what I wanted to check with this one. The trading system is already built into it, with ChatGPT handling the AI side on the background, so I'm not putting the bot together myself or trying to connect a bunch of different tools. Everything starts from the same interface. So main screen, all current account data is here, active session, portfolio information, and the rest of the trading activity is collected below it. Moving through the dashboard, there's also the session status, the agent here, and the other details connected to the account. Okay, so performance tab. This is where the session history is laid out. Previous activity, breakdown for each session, projections, and the history over time are all grouped here. So instead of collecting numbers from different places, I can just check what the system has recorded. So there are 3 tiers for this AI. The details for each one are shown right here below, and I've been using the first tier while testing it. I wanted to keep the starting setup simple and watch how it behaves over a longer period. Okay, switch over to Wallet. This is where the balance history is stored. Deposits, withdrawals, session updates, and the other changes to the account are all listed here. And since I'm using USDC for this example, this is also where I can show how the deposit starts to process. So we open Setup section, select a tier. Here I chose USDC. Okay, it created an address for the transaction. I copy it, send USDC, and then wait for the blockchain confirmation. Okay, my transaction is confirmed, balance changed, and the session is updated now. That's where my part of the setup ends, because there isn't anything else I need to configure after the deposit. The bot takes over the trading process while I can come back here and check info whenever I want. And that's really the part I find convenient. With a lot of AI bots, the setup is only the beginning. Then there are settings to adjust, software to maintain, or something else that needs to be checked. Here, it handles the technical side in the background, and ChatGPT runs the trading workflow without me manually managing each step. So now let's check the other side of the process and withdraw some USDC. So open this tab. Okay, available amount is shown here, together with the part of the balance that's currently unlocked. Next, I select USDC, choose the network, and paste in my destination wallet address. Okay, everything looks right. I press withdraw, and now the request is being processed. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, my balance on Aspero updates to reflect it. So while that's going through, this is probably the easiest way to explain why I was interested in testing it. The complicated part is already inside the platform. I'm not writing trading code, reading through a stack of technical documents, installing extra programs, or keeping a server running somewhere just so the bot can operate. It takes care of the workflow, while the dashboard keeps the session data visible. So there's still a way to see what's happening without having to manually control the bot all the time. And obviously, automation doesn't change the fact that crypto markets can move fast. A bot can automate the process, but it doesn't remove market risks. Anyway, that's the whole flow I wanted to show here. I'll keep testing the system and see how things develop over time. The platform link is in description and pinned comment.